Planned Parenthood v. Casey took place in 1992 and was the second major abortion case in the U.S. This case concerns the Fourth Amendment right to privacy and then the 14th Amendment concerning undue burdens. In the 1990s, states were starting to ban all abortions unless the pregnancy put a woman's health at risk. In Pennsylvania, it stated that when it came to abortion, a woman interested in one needed a doctor's consent, their husband's consent, and their parents' consent if they were a minor 24 hours prior to the abortion, and all files about their abortion must be kept public. As you can imagine, many people, especially again in Pennsylvania, thought the right to privacy mentioned or assumed in the Fourth Amendment was being violated. Planned Parenthood argued Pennsylvania's Abortion Control Act of 1982, the one that required all the consents, was unconstitutional. Here's a picture of Casey, the governor of Pennsylvania at the time, and he was in favor of the Pennsylvania Abortion Control Act because he said without it, it gave women way too much power when it came to the fetus. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Planned Parenthood, but put some limits on abortions. Those included that states cannot prohibit abortion prior to visibility. However, after fetus visibility, it's fair game. Also, the state cannot put any undue burden on women seeking abortion, pretty much meaning no substantial obstacles can be placed in their way to try and make the process of obtaining an abortion, harder. They also agreed husband notification was unconstitutional. The undue burden relates to the 14th Amendment of due process because someone in the government can't try and prohibit a woman's abortion without reason. Also, they can't put obstacles in her way to prevent the abortion. Overall, this case started as a Fourth Amendment violation, but worked its way to the 14th Amendment. Overall, this affected abortions altogether. Women are entirely in control of abortions, but the privacy they receive is much better. The main win, or the main thing that you should take away from this, is the state can't control anything until the fetus is visible, which is one of the main points of the cases. Also, a woman does not need consent from her husband if she is seeking an abortion. Finally, this case was very controversial and opened the door to many more questions about abortions and the rights that come with it.